We have to own achievement. We have to own it, warts and all. If any of you, have desires, let's say, for example, you want to own a beauty salon and you buy it from someone, whatever's going on in that salon is now yours, right? If there's a rodent problem, you got to take care of it. If they had poor marketing and poor customer service before you got there, you got to take care of it. If folks arrive late for their appointments, you got to take care of it. You don't get to blame the community. You don't get to blame the mayor. None of that. And so when I talk about ownership, I'm not talking about blame. I'm talking about power. Because nothing kills problem solving faster than focusing on what you cannot control. And the stuff you can't control is in your face all the time. Who the kids are, where they're from, who the mama is, who the daddy is. You got to own it. You got to own all of it.